Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from SudsySerenity. It's this adorable ice cream cone bath bomb that also has a bubble bar on top of it. Did come a little bit damaged. This came from Canada and the package was a little roughed up when it got to me, but I decided since it was connected together that I would just put it under the running water as one and then dump in the extra pieces. And I don't know what the fragrance notes are for this one because it is currently sold out. It's not listed on her page, but it did have a very fresh and clean scent to it, and it was very fragrant. I could even smell it hours after the bath was over. My bathroom smelled nice. So she has an Etsy page, if you didn't see my unboxing of what she sent me. She has an Etsy page where she sells her bath bombs. Not all of them include rings, but some of them do. They're very reasonably priced, and she's got some really cool stuff up there. I think my favorite thing that I saw is she has gender reveal bath bombs, which is such a wonderful idea. And I think it's such a good idea if your family doesn't live near you. You know, it would be so cool to just send a box to your mom or something and say, oh, I'm pregnant, but you have to take a bath, find out what the gender is, and it's like a surprise. So I think that's a really cool idea. She also has curated bath box that comes with 3 bath bombs and 1 bubble bar. So I might have to try that out, but I'll put her link below in case you want to see what she currently has on her Etsy. She is based out of Canada, but it does ship to the US, so make sure you check her out. As you can see, the bubble bar makes a ton of bubbles. Very much so reminded me of the Fragrant Jewels bubble scoops that they had at one point. Felt the same, worked the same, and made a lot of bubbles. And when I checked on it, there was still a ton of it left. I tried to hold it under the water, crumble it a little bit, get some extra bubbles out, but you can see the ring container. This is what it looked like when it was done. And the water was like a milky color, had a little pink tint to it. And here's the ring that I got. It was very sparkly and shiny. And it is sterling silver. It's stamped on the inside. And pretty impressed with this demo. I do have a couple more items to do, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. I have 3 more bath bombs to review. So that is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. And again, make sure you check out the description box and check out her Etsy page. Bye, guys.